Did you know that antioxidants are one of the most talked about ingredients in skincare? But what exactly are they? And why do they matter? Every day, our skin is exposed to sunlight, pollution, environmental stress, and the natural aging process. These factors can create unstable molecules known as free radicals, which may contribute to visible signs of aging. Antioxidants help support the skin's natural defenses, making them an important part of a healthy skincare routine. Let's take a closer look. Throughout the day, our skin faces many challenges: sun exposure, pollution, weather conditions, stress, and even normal metabolic processes can contribute to the formation of free radicals. Over time, free radicals may play a role in the appearance of fine lines, loss of firmness, uneven skin tone, and a dull complexion. Antioxidants help neutralize these free radicals and support the skin's ability to maintain a healthy, radiant appearance. At Purèz, we love working with botanical ingredients because many naturally contain antioxidant compounds. You'll find antioxidant-rich ingredients throughout our collection. Our revitalizing cream contains seaweed extracts together with immortelle, rose, geranium, and sweet orange. Our elixir of youth treatment oil combines nourishing plant oils with carefully selected essential oils. You'll also find antioxidant-rich botanicals in our phytotherapy toning lotion, cleansing lotion, velvet gold body butter, and even our velvet citrus and velvet lavender deodorants. Rather than creating a single antioxidant product, we have chosen to incorporate nature's protective ingredients throughout the Purèz collection. Seaweeds, hydrolats, plant oils, flowers, herbs, and essential oils have been used for generations to help support healthy-looking skin. This holistic approach is at the heart of everything we do at Purèz. If you'd like to discover more about our antioxidant-rich skincare collection, visit us at purez.nl. And as always, stay beautiful.